7th standard. Open your books, page number 14, and our topic is the world of books, folk stories, and the yesteryear Indian writers. Under it, there is two topics. So, firstly, folk stories. Folk stories are those. Every culture of the world is enriched by the famous folk stories that have been passed on by the generations. The stories which are passing from the generation to generation, those are the folk stories. Like in some cases these stories have been passed on orally or in written form. Some cases they have been adapted form. So sometimes we pass these stories in the oral form, that it was told by our elders. They give us those stories, and sometimes we get it in a written form, like the Dullabhatti story we are getting from our culture, and it is a folk story we can consider, and it is in written form. So any story which we gain from our culture, those are the folk stories. Read the clues and write the correct names of space provided. A mysterious island in sea that can appear and disappear, that is Guam. You can take help of these clues. Okay, now the next one is the yarn bird of America that thunders by wings beat, that is thunderbird. A small household fairy from England that makes household things disappear, sours milk, and follows a family wherever they go, that is Bogart. With fiery red eyes, these dogs may jump in from nowhere and meeting them in certain death, that is hellhound. They are Indian spirits who possess dead bodies and hang themselves from tree branches like bats, that is beetle. Next one is huge muddy yarn that may break into a city and plunder it, that is golem. Next one is a horse from France that can adjust its shape according to its rider, that is boat. Next one is a boogeyman of Bengal who takes away naughty children, that is juju. Next one is they usually appear like beautiful girls but are actually water horses and may down you, eat and you up, that is kelpies. Next one is they ask question to the travelers, and travelers who fail to answer their questions are eventually eaten up by them, that is phoenix. Next is they are shape-shifting female water spirits of Europe, that is nixie. The next one chapter is the yesteryear Indian writers. Here is the writers, those who have left their impression on us. Those are the yesteryear Indian writers. Here we will discuss about them. First is, he was one of the greatest novelists and poet of the India. He wrote Vande Mataram, the national song of India, that is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next one is, he one of the most greatest literary figures of modern Hindu literature. His stories vividly portrayed the social scenario of his time, that is Premchand. Next one is, she was a well-known Hindi poetess often called the modern Meera. She was given the Jnanpith Award in 1982, that is Mahadevi Verma. Next one is, she was a prominent Hindi poetess whose writings used to be very emotionally charged. She composed primarily in Veer Ras, one of the 9 rasas, that is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Next one is, stories and novels speak for themselves. His work represented rural Bengali society and he often wrote against social superstitions and oppressions, that is Sarat Chandra Chatterjee. Next is, he was one of the most famous figures in modern Hindi literature. He was one of the 4 pillars of romanticism in Hindi literature, that is Yash Shankar Prasad. Next one is, he considered as one of the major poets of the Shayavadi school of Hindi literature. He mostly wrote in Hindi influenced by the Sanskrit, that is Sumitra Nandan Pant. Next one is, he was one of the key figures in the history of Hindi literature. However, he was unrecognized during his life. He wrote strongly against the social injustice and exploitation in society, that is Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. This is all about the chapter The World of Books. If there will be any doubt, you can discuss in the comment section box. Thanks and have a nice day.